Okay, so topic number 2, we have 1.3, your data communications background. Okay, standalone mode. What do we mean by standalone mode? Okay, so Heaven sent, can you read the standalone mode? Heaven sent.
Uh, any computer or PC that's not connected to the network.
Okay, so any computer that is not connected to the network is what we call stand-alone peer-to-peer. Okay, peer-to-peer is Scott, Santa Maria.
Peer-to-peer, two computers connected to together in a way that allows information to be exchanged.
Okay, so peer-to-peer, two computers connected together in a way that allows information to be exchanged. The next slide. Word parallel mode, normal practice to transfer data between subunits using separate wires to carry each bit of data. Okay, so word parallel mode, that is your old peripherals in your computer. Okay, that is your IDE. Okay, so that is your IDE cable. IDE cable. The next, we have the bit serial mode, computer to computer using single pairs of wire, that is serial. Now, you have your SATA, your SATA. In your computer, you have now your SATA. Okay? Parallel to serial conversion, you have your operation at the computer interface prior to the outputting data. Error control, of course, that we have the error control. To control bit errors and transmission errors, to detect and correct bit errors and transmission errors. Error control, detection and correction is chapter 4 in your module. And we have what we call the BRC, LRC, error detection. We have the CRC16 for error detection, and we have the forward error correction for error correction topic. Okay? Then flow control, regulate the rate at which the data is transferred. Then application process. What is the application process? Application process. Ken Carla, what is the application process?
Application process, interface between user application programs, operating system, application programs, MS Word, billing system, and others.
Okay. What do we mean by application process? For example, if you have an assignment and you type it that to your MS Office, that is version MS Office version MS Office 10. Okay? The Microsoft Office 10, version 10. And then your classmate, or you are willing to copy those, you are willing to be copied your work by your classmate, and your classmate computer has a lower version of your MS Office. So what will happen? Is there a communication or not? Is there a communication or not? There is no communication between those applications since Microsoft Office 2010 cannot be opened by a lower version of MS Office. But lower version can be opened by the higher version. Okay? Say for example, you are courting a lady. You are courting a lady. And then you have an Android cell phone, and that lady, and you send those, or you send your pictures to the receiver with a cell phone that is Nokia 3210. What will happen to your signal? Is there a communication between the two? Is there a communication between the two? Yes or no? Resi Ramos.
No, sir.
Is there a communication between the two? Say for example, your cell phone is Android 16. Your cell phone is Android 16 and you are going to send a video or a photo of yourself to a receiver with a cell phone that is Nokia 3210. What will happen to your signal? Or what will happen to your information or to your messages? Jomel Morata,
At communication, sir.
in English please. There is no communication since Nokia 3210 can open or can understand those information because of the pictures of Nokia. Okay? Meaning, if two communication system have different application process, then there will be no communication between those two devices. Okay? But in between, there is a translator. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin? Ibig po sabihin kasi ng application process, makakasend lang tayo ng information or makaka-communicate tayo kung pareho ang ating application process. Na kung hindi po pareho ang application process, there will be no communication between us. Naintindihan?
Yes, sir.
Kasi nga, halimbawa sa iyo, Android 10, nakipag-communicate ka sa 3210. Walang application process doon. Hindi pareho ang application process. Naintindihan? So there is no communication. Walang communication doon. Say for example, nakipag-usap ka sa Chinese at ikaw ay Pinoy, walang communication doon. Unless otherwise, in between po sa inyo mayroong translator. Naintindihan? So mas mahalaga po ang application process must be the same. Okay? Your application process must be the same. Okay? The next, you have your diagram. That is your computer communication diagram. And your point-to-point wire link. And the next is your simple point-to-point PSTM modem link. And the next is okay. So I hope you understand the discussion to this video